50 or even 75 to maintain the smooth traffic. It's really a problem of manpower. Hindi mo masahan yung red tapos green. Kasi pag nakabuhol-buhol na, itong wala na magawa itong, wag mo maasahan, hindi mo maasahan yan. Dito ka sa baba magtingin, tao. So, kailangan magbitaw ka ng maraming tao. That is one solution that, or about the own solution at the moment that's in our hands that we can improve on. Kunting pasensya lang kayo. Ang ibig kong sabihin, bigyan ninyo kunting panahon ang gobyerno